let's blow a miniature glass vase together. So first we are going to take a narrow diameter of tubing. I'm using 9mm cobalt blue tubing. And we're going to heat up the end and get it nice and hot until it's soft enough to blow a bubble. And then I'll blow. We'll put a pause on it and let it sit. And then heat it up again and blow again. And keep blowing gently until we've got the sphere shape that we're looking for. Once that's done, we're going to heat up just the bottom again and use graphite paddle to flatten it so it has a flat space to sit on. Once that's done, I'm going to take a little glass rod. We'll heat up the end of the rod and the end of the vase slightly and tack them together. Then I'm going to heat up the neck and blow a little tiny hole in it. Once that hole's open, I'll keep blowing and stretching until the vase opens all the way and pull it apart. Once it's hot, I'll get my scissors and I'll start clipping all the way around the edge of the lip so that we get a nice even lip and all the raggedy bits from popping it open will be gone. So get all that nice and even there. And then once that's done, I'll come back again and warm up the lip and use a tungsten pin to go in there and open up the top and make sure that the lip is open in the shape that I want. In this particular vase, I want a flat top, so I'm rolling it all the way open, and then I'm going to come back with my steel mashers, and I'm just going to gently pat the top with it. It's a little lighter than the graphite paddle, so it's a little bit less forceful. And I'm going to get this all nice and even, check it again that it's how I want. And then once that's done, we're going to remove the puntee, remove the little glass rod. So I'll use my tweezers and I'm going to come back and just gently place the tweezers on the back there, near to the point where the base and the glass rod come together, and it'll create a cool spot so that when I hold the tweezers on the top and I bump the rod, it will release. And then I'm going to use the torch to polish it again, make it all perfectly smooth, and then to check the flatness at the bottom, I will put it onto the graphite tabletop, looking as I want it to and sitting properly.